Hi, in this video, we're going to use the user stories you created in the previous video to build subscription plans. And we're also going to learn how to use the Stripe API integration to start charging your users for using your app. Let's go to your Lovable chat interface. As before, extract the user story for your payment features and paste them into the chat bar. Once you're done adjusting your prompt, click on the Submit button. Lovable will know from your user story that you're trying to create a payment feature. So it's going to ask you for a Stripe API key. Now I'm going to walk you through now how to get a Stripe API key. First, go to stripe.com. Then sign up for a free account. Stripe is an online payment provider and provides you APIs to charge your users for using your app. It's super convenient because this means you don't need to code anything from scratch. Once you're done, log into your Stripe account and you should see your user dashboard. Go to the search bar at the top and key in API keys. Then click the drop down that says developers arrow API keys. From here, you're going to click on create restricted key and the sliding panel should then appear from the right. You're going to provide this key to Lovable. So click on the first option, providing this key to another website. Once you're done, click on continue. Then for the name of the third party, key in Lovable App Builder. And the third party URL is just lovable.dev. Now you don't need to click on customize permissions for this key, but I'm just going to click on it so that I can show you the range of permissions that we can set for payment APIs. Once you're done, click on continue. Now I click the customize permissions, so it's going to bring up this whole list of permissions that I can set. So I can set things like whether I want to set up alerts, bill for specific line items, or even set the payment method like bank transfer or credit card. I can even do things like tax calculations. These things are not important for you at this stage. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on the create key button. Once that is done, Stripe will send you a series of verification emails. And at the end of this process, you should get both a public key and a private key. Make sure you save the private key somewhere secure and copy it. From here, you're going to go back to the Lovable chat interface and paste in your private key. Once that's done, Lovable will ask for several permissions to write to your database so as to log payment transactions, products purchased, and how much people paid. So for the next few prompts, just keep clicking allow until Lovable completes the integration for you. Once Lovable is done, you should then be able to see in the preview panel that it has created a set of payment plans for your users, which you can toggle between the free and the pro plan. Looking at this, I realized that Lovable has not included a trial option for free. So I'm going to ask Lovable to include a trial option so that people can have a 7-day free trial. Once Lovable is done, you see that the 7-day trial button now appears on the landing page for my app. And so this is going to allow users to test out my app for free. Just a quick note that you might want to set more limits so that you prevent people from abusing your AI feature. So after this tutorial, you might either want to take this feature down or create more restrictions like limit the number of times users can use the AI feature. Okay, let's test out the payment feature. Let's go to the upper right of the screen, click on Publish, and update our app. Once our app is updated, let's go to where the app is and quickly create a new task to test out the payment feature. Indeed, we must now pay to use the feature. So let's click on it to see if the Stripe integration worked. And yes, it works as expected. Now I'm going to stop here and leave it to you to complete your app. You might want to include other features related to payment, like canceling your subscription or a settings page to manage your subscription details. But really, there's nothing stopping you now. And that's a wrap for this whole series of videos. In the next class, we're going to go through very briefly some of the more advanced methods of tweaking your app. So see you there.